What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be messing with my truck. It's a Chevrolet Silverado. This will be for I think the 07 to 2013 door handle, interior door handle, which is right there. It doesn't work. I have to roll down the window, open it, roll the window up, and it's annoying. I've been doing it for about 6 months. I brought the truck like that. They included a new door handle thing for me to put in. Well, they said they would put it in, but I don't trust people in my vehicles. It's mine now. I'm gonna put it in. But it's finally getting a little tedious, so I'm about to go ahead and pop off this whole silver cover will come off, and then you pull off. Actually, you end up pulling off this whole arm. Pull off your little cover on the mirror right there, and another little piece in there. All right, now your window switch, you end up popping that off. I'll show that a little bit more. I'm gonna go in here and get a stand for the foam. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I mean, it's taking off a door panel in a sense. I'm hoping it's not the cable or anything, but we will see. We'll take it apart. And as an update for the Integra, we'll get to it. A lot of things happening, a lot of things coming together. Slowly but surely. Been busy. It's hot out there. I was out there for 2 seconds. You can already start to see that. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. It's coming together, guys. And oh, the garage. I'm not sure how well you can see. So this is still kind of a mess. I know where everything is for the most part. I'm about to throw that radio over there out. So the toolboxes can be organized. But the desk, look at that, guys. Still gotta do some work on it. This desk was clear, but I'm about to redo this tool kit here because, as you can tell, it's a mess. But all turbo stuff in here, nice and neat, ready to go. Now over here though, look how clean that's getting, guys. Look at that. Wow. Progress, huh? I mean, it's looking real good. File cabinet with some paint. I had like 3 shelves over there. Now it's just a filing cabinet and one metal shelf. So much more room. My sink area was cleaned off, but look at this, guys. An EG hatch. It was an automatic. It's actually in pretty good shape. It's pretty much the shape all the way around. Fenders, bumper, all that's in decent shape. It's taken off. Bay's getting painted. It's getting a K24 swap. I believe it's getting an EP3 trans with a LSD gear set, so I have to prep it, get it ready for the swap, and it's for a buddy of mine. We pretty much grew up together. This was a D-Series automatic. It's got the hybrid racer no-cut shifter and some other goodies like that. Obviously everything is being brought brand new. Has port mounts, yada yada. Now for those that follow my Instagram, you see them Wick Fab side skirts right over there. The nice metal ones that everybody's using these days. I think I'm gonna order some for the Integra. We fitted those on there, and it looks good. It looks real good. So that will be the next big thing, maybe for this car. Well, cosmetic wise at least. I brought so much, it's unreal. So without further ado, I'm going to get my stand that's sitting right over here for the foam, and we're going to get started on messing with this truck. Oh yeah, manual rack, how to do the pedal assembly. I'm going to start finishing my rims for the truck soon. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. I mean, what's it going to hurt, right? And that's pretty much it for now. I'm going to stop the video here, and we will reconvene once I get some progress done on the door. I'm out for now. Alright. Back with some progress. Got that off. So I just went right under the little lip of where this piece was sitting. Right there it is. I just went right under that bottom lip and just lifted up, came right out, and there's 2 screws there. You just need that off because the plastic piece will get jammed. So you don't have to do anything else there. That just pops right off. Now it's actually been taken apart before, so I'm guessing maybe previous owner looked at it and said I'm not dealing with it. And I think that might be as far as he went. We'll see. Them bolts don't really look like they were too messed with. So that's about it for those. I'm gonna pull all those out real quick with my lovely Milwaukee 12-volt impact. And that looks like a 10 to me. So I have a 10. So I'm gonna rip these off real quick. So reverse. Yep. One dropped in there, that's fine, it's coming off anyways. We'll pull this up. I'm sorry for the fan noise. It got hot out here. You can hear that. I'm sorry about the fan. Love those metal fans. So that's it for those, and we'll go ahead and get this cover here and get that taken off. Let's see if I can pop it off with this razor blade here. Not too easy there. Oh, look at there, there's a little spot right there. I might be able to get my flathead in. Look at that. Oh yeah. We'll just take and run our fingers under that. Voila. She's off. Another 10. Who would have guessed? See if we can get that out of there. Huh. There she goes. Okay. What's a little bit different compared to the other one? So we'll have one more here. And just set that there. So that's pretty much it for that. Pop this up here. Should have got a water and brought it out with me. So this here, you'll lift up on the back piece and that'll come out. And you just push in these tabs and pull. See if I can get you guys set up. Alright, that is off. So right here, let's see that little tab right there. You just pull back on that tab of hair and it comes right off. Well, that's obviously the way it is. And yes, this door panel has been off because normally there's a wire strapped right here, which is, oh, it's sitting right there, which is this one here. So they didn't pop that back in, so that's normally right there. You just kind of push that out. So that's that. And then basically what you want to do is see if you can get a hold of your door panel. If not, you might have to get a flathead and stick in there. And I don't really have any proper door panel tools, but this works just as well. Alright. That goes nice and loose. Come over here. Alright, I believe we're ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the door panel off so it's sitting like that, right? And I think we're just going to flip it like that. And I'll get the, hopefully I can get some good footage of holding off the handle. So I'm going to get started with that and I'll be right back. So I didn't have to do that, it just came right off. Looks like somebody was going to start to fix it, or maybe it's broke itself. This is the handle. So right there's that, and you know, it works like it should. It is loose there, so I might fix that with one or two of the kits that's provided here. And just keep that kit to the side in case anything ever does happen to this. But it seems like it's working pretty good. But what I noticed is right here. Let's see here. Focus, yeah. So it is actually in my case, the cable that is broke. So I would have to replace that, which I'm not sure. I have somebody's took it apart before. What that would entail. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna call around to a few junkyards, see if I maybe get one of these today. So I guess basically you're going to replace this and go from there. So I guess that's it for now on this video, and we'll reconvene when I can get some parts. Alright, and we are back. So I got the hood latch cable swapped out. There, look at that, brand new, ready to go. Got my door fixed up. Yep, stuck in the fan, my bad. And shoot, I guess that's gonna do it for this. It's reversed, what you did to take it off, guys, and that's it. I'm out of here. Peace.